Hello fellow crafters, what am I bringing you today? Well, I am bringing you a Father's Day snack basket. Now this is for my husband, who did ask for a little basket of snacks. I think this is little. This is from the Dollar Tree, and it doesn't have the size of it, but its basket is going to be around 11 inches by 7. So 11 by 7, but if you measure the actual top, it's about 13 1/4 and 10. And the depth of this basket is around 5.5 inches. So it's not big. It's not big. And I've chosen this one. I went to the Dollar Tree to get some snacks and stuff, and I found this basket. I also had this in my stash, which I'm going to be using with this floral foam, and that's going to be down in here. And that's going to help with some of the stuff that needs to be a little higher, because I have tons of little treats and snacks for him. As you can see, I have tons of chippies and crackers and some candy. These are for him when he's in his truck, so when he's driving, he has something to munch on. Sometimes you get stuck in traffic and you get a little tired and sleepy. We don't want that to happen. So if you have a person who loves snacks and is driving a long distance or stuck in traffic most of the time, this might be a good idea. You know your husband more, or your dad. This is for Father's Day. I do this because I celebrate Father's Day, and I do give him gifts. I also got him some mints, 2 different types of mints. That way, just in case, sometimes you need something just to waking you up. Some different chips. I didn't get him any drinks. Those come later. Those are just going to probably be added by his daughters. Some Scooby snacks. Who does not like Scooby snacks? Cinnamon graham crackers, some Cheez-Its, and 2 different types of Cheez-Its for him, the Grooves and the Original. Found these. These are Tajín toasted corn, just like corn nuts. Something sweet, soury, kind of chewy lemon heads. I found these as well. These are Jack Link's beef and cheese. Sometimes he might be hungry, maybe going somewhere else to do another job or something. Some gum, you can always be chewing. So tons of stuff, doubles, a lot of doubles, and maybe something a little healthy, which is the Smart Food popcorn. So what we're going to start doing is building our basket. I'm going to move everything to the side, and there you can see the basket. I'll try to get it as close as I can. I'm going to put the ruler to the side. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and put this at the bottom towards the top, the back. This will be the front. And I think I like the curvy end at the top. You guys see the curvy end? Probably won't be able to see everything, so I'm going to see if I can get a little back. No, you can't. But you will be able to see what's going to hang off of that. Yeah. And that's how I just pushed it in. And it should stay with some of the weight of the snacks. That should stay. Then I'm going to take this little straw. I couldn't find any shreds at Walmart. So I'm going to use this straw and put it just in there, and make sure that I surround that foam piece, and that'll give us different heights. I also have some tissue paper that I'm going to go ahead and kind of bunch up a little and stick it in some of the areas, mostly in the front, to make the front small pieces kind of lift. And this could be an any occasion gift basket for anybody, just to cheer them up, make their day. Alright, so that's a little lifted. Then I'm going to go to the back and just do a little kind of row. And do the same thing in the back. See if you can see that. Hopefully that stays in place. If not, I'm going to have to use some tape to make it stay. I'm hoping the weight of the items will help. There we go. I think that's enough. Now what I'm thinking of doing is, since this is pretty big, I'm pretty sure this will fit perfectly there. Then we have this one as well. It's pretty big. And I know you're probably thinking I'm losing a little bit of space behind here. And what I'm going to do behind the stick is put the doubles. And these lays here, I'm going to put them right there. Put that in the front. Right, see how big this thing is? I'm going to go ahead and do that. Put this in the back, help it weigh. And all my shreds are everywhere. Then we're going to go, let's see, our munchos are pretty big as well. Those are your chippies. Then we have, let's see what else can we, these are the things that I think I'm going to go ahead and kind of graduate down. So that way they'll be going up. So I'm going to get some of this tape. Oops, let me move this out of the way. And my kitty's here to help, I suppose. Okay, kitty. You don't want to cut your whiskers. Okay, buddy, we don't eat the hay. Okay, so what I've done is just put a little bit of the tape in the back, and I'm going to go ahead and peel it. And I'm going to go ahead and probably put it around there. That one is going to go there. The second one is going to probably be right around there. And then the third one is going to hit way at the top. And you probably won't see that. And the fourth one, because I did get 4 of these, is going to sit right behind. And here this one is, and we're just going to go ahead and put it right around there. Give it enough space to go ahead and stick to your dowel, stick, whatever you have. And here's the third one. This one is going to head at the top, covering it. And the fourth one is going to sit right behind. And that's going to be a good thing, because that way he doesn't have to worry about it. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn that around so it can be seen on the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and start putting in these smaller items in the front. We got some Lifesavers, some candy. We're going to go ahead and kind of take a piece of tissue paper and kind of make a little, height on the checks. That way we can see these weathers. Put that one right down in there. You can lean these guys on the side. You got your tahine, corn nuts, your groovy Cheez-Its, and then your regular Cheez-Its here, your yummy popcorn. Okay, and we do have a lot of doubles, and those are going to go in the back. Here's some more corn nuts, or combos, and yummy sweetness for a cup of coffee in the morning, And we got some chewy lemon heads, sweet, sour, savory, all times, maybe some good stuff as well. And no, it's not a matchy basket, but it is a snack basket, and it's all in goodness. Put that one right there. I don't want to cover him up. I got some tahini over here, some gum. Then the back ones are going to be fitting in the back. Anything really extra that doesn't fit, you can just go ahead and lay it out for him, and he can just fill up the basket later. But I'll even use these for heightens and some little hard candy and some cookies in the back. That gives you that height that you also need. Now I did buy or had this in my stash. It's one of those bags you can shrink it. Don't know about shrinking it, but I am going to put it on there. Scooby snacks, we can put those up here in the back, and I'll show you the back. I'll show you what the back looks like. I'll do a turn. Yeah, some Cheez-Its are going to probably be back here. And then we have 3 little extra little baggies. Lots of Cheez-It. They came to 3 per box, and some came as 4 in a box. So that's what's making it, you know. Okay. And there you have the snack basket for anybody who enjoys snacks. I'm going to go ahead and give you a little turnaround so you guys can see that. It's pretty heavy. And I know you won't be able to see it all because it's pretty high, but I'll give you a close-up. And let me get a little closer so I can give you just of what it looks like up close and a little bit, you know. That's the top. And there's the basket. Turn that around for you guys. You can see the side. It is busting with snacks. This guy here. And that is the back, and there's your stick. And I do like the Lowe's little sign. It's pretty cute because, you know, we do shop a lot at Lowe's. 5% every day with your Lowe's credit card. Don't have one, but hey. And there you are. There's the whole basket. Let me go ahead and get away from that. And there you are. As you can see, the links are all up here. I can probably put something else, you know, crackers and cheese maybe there. I think that's a good idea. Maybe I should do that. Let me get my tape. Is it this one? Or was I going to get another one? Well, I guess it doesn't matter because I got plenty. Gadgets and, you know, that one's the same. Let me see. What's the other one? Oh, this one. Just peel that off. You can use any double stick. I just have this one at hand. And I'm just going to use that. There we go. And there you are. Now let's go ahead and put the plastic wrap in there. But first, I'm going to do a quick sweep of this hay stuff. Also, let me share my new shirt. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's like, yeah. Put a button to my stuff. Alright, now we're going to get the bag open. And like I said, I don't think I'm going to be using the shrink part of it. This is what I had in my stash. So, like I said before, I'm trying to use what's in my stash as much as possible. I'm really hoping this is a huge one because it's pretty big. Get this to the side, a little bit over here. This little guy seems to have trouble. This guy does not want to sit up. And that looks a little bit better. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm trying to center the line and see if we can get all this in there. Okay, we're going to slowly lift it. And we're barely going to make it. Let me lift you guys shut. Let's see, that's the top. If I want to shrink wrap it, all I have to do is just use the heat and it will bring it all together. But for now, I think that's a good fit. You choose what you want to do. But I think that looks very nice. I hope you guys like this video on an idea for Father's Day, Brother's Day, Siblings Day, any day of the year. To brighten somebody's day, you guys can go ahead and do that. Bye for now. Thank you guys.